Now, with an eye on the upcoming Maharashtra state elections and in a bid to woo voters, Maharashtra's Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar announced a slew of populist measures today targeting farmers, youth and women as he presented the state's annual budget. And in a copy of Madhya Pradesh's Ladli Behna scheme, a stipend was announced for women in the state.
Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar presenting the state budget. Months ahead of the state assembly elections, a slew of women-centric and farmer-friendly measures have been announced. Among the schemes, financial assistance of 1,500 rupees a month for women in the age group of 21 to 60 under the Mukhyamantri Majhi Ladki Bahin scheme. The initiative is expected to cost the state 46,000 crore rupees annually and will come into effect from July this year. State government has also slashed fuel prices in the Mumbai metropolitan region by ₹2 per litre for diesel and by 65 paise per litre for petrol.
स्त्री ही कुटुंबाचा आधार असते. आता ती एकूणच समाजाचाच केंद्रबिंदू होते आहे. कुटुंबाचं व्यवस्थापन आणि अर्थार्जन अशा दोन्ही आघाड्यांवर ती लढते आहे. एक हाती कुटुंब सांभाळणाऱ्या कर्तबगार मुलं घडवणाऱ्या महिलाही आपल्याला पाहायला मिळतात. वेगवेगळ्या परीक्षांच्या निकालाच्या वेळी तर मुलींची आघाडी हा तर आता नियमित होऊ पाहतो आहे. अशा आपल्या कर्तृत्वान माय भगिनींना संधीची कवाडे आणखी खुली करणे, त्यांना प्रोत्साहन देणे हे सरकार म्हणून आपले कर्तव्यच आहे.
Some of the other key announcements include 3 gas cylinders per household per year under Mukhyamantri Annapurna Yojana, financing for 10,000 women in 7 cities to buy pink e-rickshaws, tap water to 21 lakh households, Unity Mall project which will prioritize women's self-help groups so with a goal to enable 25 lakh women to become Lakhpati, 100% reimbursement of education and examination fees to other backward classes and economically weaker section girls with annual family income of up to 8 lakh rupees, a fee waiver for girls from OBC and EWS families pursuing higher education. The government also announced compensation to 24.47 lakh farmers, subsidy of 5 rupees per litre for cow milk to support dairy farmers, free electricity to farmers through 8.5 lakh solar pumps, electricity bill waiver to 44 lakh farmers, 5,000 rupees per hectare bonus to all farmers for cotton and soybean crops, subsidy to onion farmers, milk producers. The state government has promised a host of schemes in the budget, keeping in mind women, farmers, youth and weaker sections. However, the opposition has called it an unrealistic budget with hollow promises, claiming that it is a sugar-coated document to mislead public. With Anuj Raite, this is Radhika Ramaswamy for NDTV.